Cesari up top, Nature moving up, Veracruz, Ariazay, joining them now, Señorito Jello, Buena Clasica, Lucky Gunner also moving up. Now we have Lucky Gunner takes the lead, Buena Clasica, Señorito Jello, Veracruz is running by Drella, then followed by Top Nature, Garnet comes next, Calabarzon alongside his Star of Boya, Dramatis Persona, What's Up Casidir, and Pocket Money is the early trader. We have Lucky Gunner by about 2 lengths, Veracruz in second, Buena Clasica in third. Here comes Calabarzon now coming closer in fourth. Garnet is racing in fifth, and in sixth, Star of Boya, Señorito Jello, Dramatis Persona, What's Up comes next, Casidir, Top Notcher and Pocket Money is still the leader, is Lucky Gunner by about 2.5 lengths. Here comes Calabarzon now coming closer on the outside second. Veracruz, here comes Garnet with Lucky Gunner still in front by about 2.5 lengths. Calabarzon, Garnet, Star of Boya as they come down to the last of the Lucky Gunner, Calabarzon, Garnet is on the outside, but it's still Lucky Gunner by about 3 lengths. Garnet entering the finish line. It's going to be Lucky Gunner, Garnet, Calabarzon, Star of Boya, then comes What's Up, Dramatis Persona.
Okay, nakabanderang tapos si Lucky Gunner. Ganda pagkasakay ni Bodji. Wala na nakahabol sa kanya. We'll see the instant replay.